Hey everyone, just wanted to do a quick video to show you the latest addition to our cars. We got a 2016 Mazda 6, and I wanted to kind of give you a walkthrough as to all the things that we're going to do to it, as well as general maintenance and wash and clean and all of that stuff. But anyway, I just wanted to give you something you could see, and we'll have a playlist that has all these different videos on it. And as we get the videos done, we'll link them in this video. But like I said, it'll be part of the Mazda 6 playlist. So let's get started. All right, first things first, I'm gonna try to figure out how to do something maybe a little different with the grill to make it stand out a little bit better. There's a little bit of overspray paint right there that we'll probably take a look at. This is real cloudy, so I'm gonna try to figure out a way to maybe clean that up a little bit. It's pretty dirty right now. Obviously, I'll show you what I do when I get a new car from a washing and cleaning perspective. We do that with all of our cars. Here, these are black wheels, but the previous owner painted them black, so there's some imperfections that we're probably going to do something with plasti dip, or I don't know. We'll do something, dip our wheels basically, and then we'll probably there's some brake issues on this car. So they're going to definitely need new rotors and brakes, and while we have that off, we'll probably paint the calipers as well. I don't know, I'm thinking about maybe a red color that kind of matches the car, but I'd be curious at what you guys think. Put down in the comments what color you think they should be. The body's pretty good, not a lot of damage. Again, we'll do the rear brakes too, probably paint the calipers the same. On the back here, we'll probably black out some of the emblems, maybe do a delete on, I don't know. I'm not sure yet. Like I said, feel free to put some comments down below as to what you think would make it look cool. But that's pretty much it on the exterior. Not a whole lot of, there are some minor dings and things, that little scratches that, try to show you kind of what I do to take those out. But let's take a look inside. It's pretty much, everything's pretty good on the inside, but we'll do a real good clean out, and we'll show you. They use some. The previous owner had some real fruity air fresheners in here, and so that smell is kind of still in here. I'll show you what I typically use to kind of kill odors and stuff. One thing that you can see up here is there's some, the dealership that we bought this from has some sticky, had a barcode basically there that left some sticky residue on the inside of the windshield. So I'll show you how we get that down. This is broken. It's not connected, so we need to fix that. But yeah, for the most part, that's pretty much it on the inside as well. I don't think anything else is really broken, but that's pretty much it, guys. So like I said, this will be the Mazda 6 playlist. So if you have any suggestions or things that you might like to see us do to this car, put them down below in the comments. Thanks.